While genetics play a crucial role in determining height, the power of nutrition should not be underestimated. In fact, certain height-increasing foods can significantly contribute to optimal growth and development during your child's formative years. Curious about what these foods are? Let's unveil the best foods for height growth and explore how these nutrient-packed superfoods can help your kids stand tall and confident. Number 1. Beans. Beans, a nutritional powerhouse, are rich in protein, iron, and B vitamins. Known for elevating insulin like growth factor 1, a vital hormone for height development, they also combat anemia. Additionally, beans provide essential nutrients such as fiber, copper, magnesium, manganese, and zinc, contributing to overall growth and well-being. Number 2. Chicken. Chicken is a height-boosting food due to its high protein content and abundance of vitamin B12. Taurine, an amino acid found in chicken, plays a significant role in bone growth and formation. With approximately 20 grams of protein in a 3-ounce serving, chicken is also a source of niacin, selenium, phosphorus, and vitamin B6, essential for optimal growth and development. Number 3. Almonds. Almonds, packed with vitamins and minerals, support overall growth. Rich in good fats, fiber, manganese, and magnesium, they are also a source of vitamin E, crucial for preventing stunted growth in children. Some studies suggest that almond consumption may promote bone health by inhibiting the growth of osteoclasts, cells that break down bone tissue. Number 4. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are height superstars, containing concentrated amounts of vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium. These greens are also rich in vitamin K, supporting increased bone density and height maintenance. Studies even show a significant reduction in the likelihood of declining bone mass with regular consumption of leafy greens. Number 5. Yogurt? Yogurt, a protein-packed delight, offers approximately 20 grams of protein in just 7 ounces, making it an excellent choice for height increase. Beyond protein, yogurt contains probiotics that support intestinal health. It is also a rich source of calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium, essential elements for bone metabolism and overall growth. Number 6. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes, besides being colorful and versatile, promote height gain. High in vitamin A, these potatoes contribute to bone health. With both soluble and insoluble fiber, sweet potatoes support digestive health and create an environment for good bacteria to thrive, aiding nutrient absorption and overall growth. Number 7. Quinoa. Quinoa, a nutrient-dense seed, serves as a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. Rich in magnesium, vital for bone tissue, quinoa also provides manganese, folate, and phosphorus. These elements play a crucial role in maintaining healthy bones, making quinoa an excellent choice for height growth. Number 8. Eggs. Eggs, a nutritional powerhouse, contain 6 grams of protein and various essential nutrients, including vitamin D. Vitamin D supports calcium absorption, contributing to bone health and growth. Studies have shown that regular egg consumption correlates with increased height in children. Number 9. Berries. Berries, rich in vitamin C, contribute to tissue growth and healing. Vitamin C boosts collagen production, a protein associated with increased bone density and improved bone health. Berries also provide additional vitamins and minerals, including fiber, vitamin K, and manganese supporting overall growth. Number 10. Salmon. Salmon, a fatty fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids, promotes growth and development. Omega-3 fatty acids play a role in bone health, encouraging optimal growth. Salmon also provides significant protein, along with B vitamins, selenium, and potassium, contributing to overall height-boosting properties. Number 11. Milk. Milk, a classic source of nutrients, supports growth with essential elements like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Studies indicate that cow's milk can promote children's overall growth, including muscle and weight gain. However, it's essential to consider individual tolerance and potential allergies. Number 12. Whole grains. Whole grains are packed with B vitamins, magnesium, calcium, selenium, zinc, and iron. These nutrients are crucial for cell and bone growth. Zinc and iron are particularly essential for building a strong bone matrix, while magnesium may increase bone density, enhancing overall bone strength. Number 13. Fruits. Fruits, rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, are vital for healthy growth and development. Dried fruits such as raisins, prunes, figs, and dried apricots are excellent calcium sources, especially for those following a vegan diet. Vitamin C, found in fruits like grapefruits, oranges, lemons, pineapples, and papayas, is crucial for collagen synthesis, the building block for bone mineralization. Including a variety of fruits in your diet ensures a well-rounded approach to height-boosting nutrition. Incorporating a variety of these nutrient-dense foods into your diet can contribute to optimal growth and development. Remember, it's essential to maintain a balanced and healthy lifestyle for overall well-being. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.